everyone, and welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am about to go shopping at Walmart today. We need some food. The boys are hungry, and I'm going to try to do some meal planning as well. So let's go. Okay, I have a budget, and I have a helper. With the calculator.
A Jonas.
And so, let's see if we can do this. How cute are these? I think I need some for Isaiah's graduation party. Not too bad. What are your favorite dryer sheets? I'm having a heck of a time right now, and maybe it's just because we're just coming out of winter, but they're all staticky. Do you have any tips to get rid of those staticky clings? Yeah, we deserve that, huh? What is it?
Diet Dr. Pepper.
DDP for life. So what you got there?
PlayStation card.
A PlayStation card. Is that just the real reason why you come shopping with me?
Well, I don't get it every time.
Yeah, just kidding. I know. But come on. PlayStation card when we go grocery shopping makes a good decision, huh? Yes. Easy decision. Yeah. Want to see what I got in my haul today? Before I do, I'm going to tell you that I spent $170, so I don't forget, because I know I will. And I started doing some meal planning. Ooh. Plus, I'm still using my food from Winco, so it's been awesome. And I also have in a couple of days a pickup from Zaycon. If you haven't tried Zaycon, that might be something you might be interested in if it delivers into your area. I'll do some more research, but I got a great price on being a first-time buyer at Zaycon, and it was 99 cents a pound for 40 pounds, or per pound on chicken breast for 40 pounds. So it was $40 for 40 pounds. Yeah, I gotta make room for in my freezer. So I didn't wanna go overboard today. So let's get started. First up, I got 18 eggs and some butter because I've been making lots of little things lately, which is better for our family anyways. You know, pancakes or muffins, and it's just great, better that way. So one of our meals, we really do like the bruschetta. If we're gonna do something quick and fast, it could be for lunch or for dinner. And I have the Caesar salad. I also got, and I think I told you, that I really like trying some of these different chopped kit salad bags. They're really good. Okay, another meal here is, you know, it's all healthy. It's the lean ground beef, see, healthy, with nacho cheese, and I cook it up with taco seasoning, and I just add the nacho cheese to that. Now you can add some Rotel tomatoes or some green chilies to it, and then just dip it with the tortilla chips, or as Danny says, tortina chips. I have some cheeses here. I wanted to get some beef stock bouillons for when I make a recipe. I'm going to be making some beef stew. I love having English muffins. I'll do that in the morning with some eggs. Usually that's kind of my breakfast. 2 eggs and an English muffin. The boys love the Grandma Sycamores. Here's another meal. Some Nathan all beef. We are only all beef hot dog eaters. And Grandma Sycamore buns. I haven't seen these before, but there was a coupon. So it only came out to $1.80, which I'm happy about. And then a bag of chips. I'll also have like some veggies with it, some carrots or celery. I always like to have those as well. Okay, so right here, this is for funeral potatoes or my cheesy potatoes. I will be linking a lot of these recipes in the description box because I've made a lot of them already. Next week is spring break for my boys, so top ramen. And we are gonna do breakfast for dinner probably, so that's why I got the bacon. Oh, this should have been with my my baking supplies. I also get the store brand Crystal Light, and this one's kind of our favorite right now. Good. Okay, so not everything that I needed was at Walmart, and when I showed you that Jonas got that gift card, we had ran into Vaughn's really quick. So if we were running in, I got these freshly baked breads. And actually that's where I got those salad kits too, because they have a large selection. A couple of jars of tomato sauce. This is also for lunches during spring break. Isaiah likes those. This is going to be for some barbecue chicken. We're going to have some cornbread with that. Ezra loves these go-go squeezes, and I love buying them at Costco because you can get a whole lot more, plus they're organic, and I love that. Tater tots, just for who knows what. I know boys will probably want them. And had to get some more rice, and you can see here I got a ham for Easter. So I'll be making that with the potatoes, the cheesy potatoes, sorry. I had to get some more sugar. I got a big thing of potatoes because I could do baked potatoes, mashed potatoes, fried potatoes. We like potatoes in our family. I had to get some more of these. We were using them for a project in our classroom, and I'm going to be using them again tomorrow. So we're making little bunny hats. They'll be super cute. Had to get some toilet paper. I ended up getting the Bounce. I'll see if that helps. I've used it before, but goodness, I'm having a tough time. This is my favorite laundry soap. They've changed the color of the outside, but it's just more of a hint of smell. It's not very strong and overpowering, and I really like it. Needed some sandwich baggies. Some toilet paper, and of course Ezra's like, don't forget to get me some treats. So let's see how long those last. We're having a little party tomorrow, so in our classroom, so I just thought they could have a little snack, and there's some little Debbie's back there. So it doesn't feel like I got as much as I do like at Winco, but I got a lot. I still think I got a lot. So $175 or $170. Yum. I just love watching people go grocery shopping. I love it. I love what they find, and so I really hope that you like following what I'm doing at Walmart or Winco or Costco or wherever I'm going. And I'm hoping that with some of the links below in my description box, it gives you some ideas on some different things you can make for meals. So I also wanted to say thank you to everybody who was saying really nice things about my mom and just really kind words. It really means a lot to me. And if you think that I'm lisping, I am. I have a canker sore under my tongue, just keeping it real. And so kind of talking a little funny. Did you look at? Oh, he's so cute. It's almost time for bed, so I should put these things in the refrigerator. But what I wanted to say is thanks for sticking around, visiting my channel, and watching this haul. Click like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon, because you just never know what I'll be rolling out next.